So what's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Let's get right into this video. So today I'm going to be straightening my natural hair. Right now it hasn't been washed in about a week and a half, and this is how it's looking. I believe I have a mixture of 4B and 4C hair. So I'm going to start off with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine shampoo, and I'm also going to use the Sleek and Shine fortifying conditioner. These are my favorite shampoo and conditioner when I'm straightening my hair. So right now I have the conditioner still in my hair. I'm going to go ahead and part it into 4 sections to get ready to detangle. I like to detangle while my conditioner is still in, just because my hair is very soft at this point, and the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine fortifying conditioner really gives my hair a lot of slip, so I always detangle my hair when I have that conditioner sitting in it. The first step in my detangling process is to finger comb through my hair. I like to start off with finger combing just to loosen my hair up a bit, because sometimes if you go straight in with the comb, it may cause knots and damage. So I finger comb through first just to get my hair a little loose or whatnot. And then I take a wide tooth comb, and I always start detangling at the ends of my hair. I start at the ends and then I work my way down to the roots. So I went through section by section and detangled my hair. Now I'm about to wash out the conditioner. So this step here is a major key. I always let my towel sit on my hair for about 30 minutes after I wash out my conditioner. That way my hair is about 60% dry before I blow dry it, which equals less potential heat damage. For my leave-in conditioner, I use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I really love this leave-in conditioner. It makes my hair really soft, and yes, I kind of use a lot of it. Now I'm using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. I swear you would think this video is sponsored by Garnier Fructis, but it's not. I'm also going to use the Cream of Nature Argan Heat Defense Oil. Yeah, so I mix these two oils together and then rub them intensely over my hair. Now I'm going to use this Keratin bamboo oil that I found at Ross. I like this oil because it gives my hair shine, and I love shiny hair. So now I'm sectioning my hair off into 4 sections again because I'm getting ready to blow dry it. And then next I'm going to detangle again because, well, you can never detangle too much. And then I'm going to add another heat protectant. I use 2 heat protectants because, I'm trying to protect my hair from heat damage. So you can never really use too many heat protectants. The first heat protectant I used was that Argan Oil Heat Defense. And now the second heat protectant I'm going to use is by Cantu. It's their Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. I really love this heat protectant because it's very lightweight. So trust me, I spray a lot of this on my hair because I just love this formula. It's not sticky and it's not oily, which I love because I can use as much of this as I want and it won't start to weigh down my hair. The blow dryer I use is the Infiniti Pro by Conair. I will include the link to this blow dryer in the description box below. You can either set it to hot, warm, or cool air on either high or low, and there is also a button for cold air. I start off blow drying with the pulling or the stretching method, where I just pull my hair straight down and I blow dry it for a few seconds just to stretch it out a bit. So next I go in with what I call my white people brush, and I just use this brush to detangle a little bit more and get all those kinks and knots out, and then I actually run this brush through my hair while I'm blow drying. The last step in my blow drying process is to comb through my hair using a rat tail comb, and I comb through my hair with the rat tail comb and I blow dry it at the same time. So notice that I put all of my products on my hair before I actually start blow drying my hair. That way when I'm done blow drying my hair, I can go straight into flat ironing my hair and I don't worry about adding any more products or any more heat protectants. To flat iron my hair, I'm using the Infiniti Pro by Conair. I love this flat iron. It gets my hair it gets my hair straight enough, let's say that. And it's also, you can find it at a very decent price on Amazon. So I'll include the link to it in the description box below also. So here I'm just flat ironing through my hair. I try not to flat iron each section more than 3 times. So I flat iron it twice, and then the third time I'll go in and trace it with the rat tail comb. So this flat iron goes up to level 30, but I'm actually using it on about level 15 because I'm not trying to use too much heat on my hair. If I was straightening like a weave or a wig or something, I would probably go up to level 30, but for my natural hair, level 15 works just fine. So here's the finished product. I did a big chop over 7 months ago, and this was my first time flat ironing my hair since I did the big chop. I also uploaded my big chop. It's the first video that I uploaded if you guys want to go check that out. So yeah, this is my first time flat ironing my hair in over 7 months after doing a big chop. So my ends are definitely going to need to be trimmed, and I will be doing that next. So right here, I'm cutting my hair. I'm not going to call it a trim because I actually cut a good bit. So yeah, I'm just cutting my hair right now because the back was actually way longer than the side. So I cut a good bit of it just to try to get it more even all around. So I just discovered this Headstrong Volume Gel by Aussie, and I absolutely love it on my edges. It literally gives me the perfect hold. Like, it works better than Eco Styler does on my edges. And for the finishing touches, I'm just going to put on my headscarf, my silk headscarf, for a few minutes just to, let all the hair products settle in and just give me that nice finish do. So here's the finished product. My hair has actually grown a good bit since I did my big chop 7 months ago. I say this because I actually remember cutting my sideburns right here off, and they've grown back already. So yeah, it's came a long way in these past 7 months, and I actually really love how this straightening turned out.